Okay guys, welcome back to this channel. We would want to take a look at USDJPY for the next day. So if you've not subscribed guys, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, and also make your comments. Would watch out for it. So this USDJPY, now take a look at this movement. First of all, we actually had this bullish movement on our USDJPY for a long time, right? Then if you take a look at this recent movement that was made on USDJPY, this is a bearish move. Actually yesterday, right? How will I call it, on Thursday, right? A news was released. This is one of the reasons why we had this huge massive move on this our USD, right? You can see our DXY itself gave us a massive bearish move. That is one of the reasons why we had a bearish move on all our USD pairs. So now let's highlight some levels we can see on this USDJPY. So you can see this level here. We saw that once price has dropped to this level, it's reacted by pushing up, right? Now that price is at this level, right? What do you expect? So I am expecting a bullish move on this USDJPY, right? First of all, the reason is that I'll tell you multiple reasons why we'll be having such a movement. So previously, if you're following this channel consistently, right, you'll see how we actually range within this level, right? On the kind of like on the daily time frame. Now take a look at this movement here. Sorry, we saw on this hour in USDJPY. If you're following this channel consistently, you would have seen how we actually move from here, right? We actually now rejected here, and we also saw a bullish move that was here. So at one time on this daily time frame, we were actually ranging on our USDJPY, right? So we also saw this price, drop to this level here, and we also see this level here. So at this level, we took the top as a resistance level, and we took this bottom as a support level. So for some time, price has actually been ranging right within this level. Then we also saw that this USDJPY actually went up and gave us that bullish move, broke above the support resistance level. Sorry. Then guess what? Price gave us a pullback to test this resistance level, and guess what? It pushes up. Then unfortunately, price dropped further down to the support level, right? Previously, our support level. So what do we expect on our USDJPY? Of course, we'll be expecting a bullish move from here. That is one reason that I've given you that there's strong probability or possibility that USDJPY will give us a bullish move. So be expecting a bullish move from this support level upward. That is one. Now take a look at this JPY index, right? So take a look at this JPY index. So if you take a look at the full trend, right, on the daily time frame, JPY index is on a bearish move. So that is to tell you that since our JPY index is on a bearish move, any other pairs will be traded to our JPY will give us a bullish move. Since the JPY is dropping, then we should be expecting a bullish move on any other pairs to our JPY, right? Now take a look at this movement here. We saw price was reacted at this level, right? Pushes up. We saw price came to the same level, rejected, and it pushed it bounced up. We saw price drop to the same level again, it rejected and it bounced up, right? Then price kind of broke above it a little bit, and guess what? Price dropped further down. We saw price give us a pullback at this level, right? This same level again, same level. Price dropped, right? Now that this price has already rolled up and it is at this level, what do you expect on our JPY index? Of course, we expect a drop on this JPY index. So as we will be having this drop on this JPY index, then be expecting a bullish move on USDJPY. So one of the reasons why I said that was that JPY index will give us a bearish move, which will be drop, right? Then expect a bullish move, which will actually push up on our USD to JPY. And now take a look at this JPY index also. Another movement is that if you take a look at this movement from like this, we saw this impulse move here caused a correction, right? And this is another impulse move, right? Then you should be expecting a pullback, kind of like a correction on this JPY index, right? So as this JPY index would be expecting a correction which will be bearish, right? Also expect a bullish move on this USD to JPY, which will be bullish. So this is one of the reasons why I said JPY, there's strong possibility or probability that it will drop, JPY will drop, then our USD to JPY should give us a bullish move. So expect a bullish move for the next day on USD JPY.